Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Moto G04 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change mobile hotspot name in your phone Moto G04. First of all, go to settings of your phone here. Then go to network and internet, and here select hotspot and tethering, and here click over Wi-Fi hotspot and click on hotspot name. Here you can change hotspot name. Here already hotspot name is available as Moto G04 mine. Okay, if you want to change this name to another name as per your wish, you can set any name. Okay, just remove this text and type your own hotspot name. Here I would like to type Mingy, Mickey, Pingy. So Mingy, Mickey, Pingy will be the hotspot name for my phone. Click on OK, and this is the device name as of now. So in this way, you can easily change hotspot name in your phone Moto G04. That's all, friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.